How to get leads from Lusha. I have the Lusha extension as well. So if you go ahead and find someone's profile, for example, this is the co-founder and president of Lusha, you will be able to see their emails right here using the extension. And this is another person I found. It's really easy. Just click on this option right here. You'll be able to see their email. And if you want to go ahead and generate specific leads, you can go ahead and do this as well. Come here and click on search. Okay. And now we will be doing a prospect search. So first, we'll go ahead and filter this. Maybe let's say you want to filter by company, someone in, let's say, Apple, right? Let's do Apple. We're going to look for people in Apple. Okay, this one right here. There's also Applebee's, other different options. So we have 109,412 contacts, possible contacts from Apple, all verified. Okay, they're LinkedIn are like right here. They have their phone numbers, right? Now let's go ahead and filter this even more. Let's say we want to go ahead and look for directors of sourcing, right? So you can come here and click on job title and let's do sourcing. So their job title should include sourcing. Let's say we want to sell something to them, basically the procurement department. We have a lot of different people here. This is a global sourcing. We have Yishan Gong. So I'll do this. We have Sweta Aurora. I'll select these two. We have David Tom. All right. Now you can come here and click on show details for each of these three people. So if I hover over right now, you cannot see their details. So we need to basically use the credits. Click on show details. And now as you can see, they have been saved to my contacts and I can also see their details now. All you need to do is come on actions, click on, of course, you can either, save this to your CRM directly. And then, your client relationship management tool, we have different platforms. We have Salesforce. You can integrate it with HubSpot, Outreach, Zoho CRM, Pipedream, right? Bullhorn. So you can use Pipedrive and go ahead and close this. Now you can add this to your list as well. Come here, click on add list. And then go ahead and select your existing list. So I have Outreach right here. I'm going to click on continue to add these contacts to my list right there. And if you don't know how to create a list, come hover over to the left and you'll see your list right here. My outreach list is right here. If you want, you can come and click on the plus icon and then just add a name for your list and click on create list. So I already have this outreach one. I'm going to go ahead and select that. Now we have all these leads and I can go ahead and of course select separate individual ones or just select all of them and just go ahead and export them to my CSV as well. And it will start downloading it automatically right here. And I can go ahead and open that up and I can do a lot of different things with this data. Really easy and simple.